How do you do? I'm Hans Christian Andersen. Certainly.
I'll walk through the gates of the city, and I'll say, I'm Hans Christian Andersen.
I'm Hans Christian Andersen. I've many a tale to tell. And though I'm a cobbler, I'd say I tell them rather well. I'll mend your shoes and I'll fix your boots when I have a moment free. When I'm not otherwise occupied as a purple duck or a mountainside or a quarter after 3. I'm Hans Christian Andersen. That's me. I'm Hans Christian Andersen, and this is an April day. It's full of the magic I need to speed me on my way. My pocketbook has an empty look, I limp on a lumpy shoe. So I turn into a flying fish or a millionaire with a rocking chair and a dumpling in my stew. I'm Hans Christian Andersen, Andersen, that's who. I'm Hans Christian Andersen, that's me.